That was over. If you did it wrong,
Marshall. You guys do great.
we really
The
do
whole
try.
team. The
We
whole
really
team.
do. I swear.
How well you do.
Hey, before we talk about what's happening here in Ohio, take a look at some of what's going on out west. This is some of the flooding in California. Almost the entire state's population is under some kind of flood alert today. Latest round of rainfall causing all kinds of flooding, road closures, evacuations, even some water rescues. LA and coastal Southern California getting the heaviest downpours today. LA could get its wettest February ever on record.
Wow.
And on top of the rain, it's the wind that can potentially cause power outages as well. It is rough out there now. Look at this. The entire state pretty much covered by some kind of watch or warning. The closer you get to the shore, the more of that is flood watches, flood warnings, and flood advisories, and then winter weather and snow advisories up in the mountains. The moisture coming off of the Pacific is just barreling into California right now, streaming up this direction, getting into Los Angeles and San Diego, and then some of that also streaming into Northern California with a big low pressure center to the north. We have high pressure, so we have plenty of clear sky. It is gorgeous outside right now. Beautiful blue sky, nary a cloud to be found. It's been that way for most of the day. Look at the time lapse. You can see that the roads are dry. The sun is beautiful. It is fantastic out there this afternoon for mid-February. We're in the 50s right now in Columbus. No breeze, and the air itself is relatively dry. Dew points in the lower 20s. Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions in Kenton, Marion, Delaware, and London, all at 50 degrees right now. Newark's at 52, Circleville at 53, Athens at 57. So we've been doing a lot more melting during the daytime today. The temperatures by 7 o'clock will be in the lower to mid 40s. We'll drop into the 30s after that, and your overnight low in Columbus drops to around 30 degrees. So partly cloudy during the night tonight. Some clouds will start rolling in the closer we get to your morning commute. So there will be some clouds to start with on Wednesday, but we've got a nice warm breeze coming out of the southwest. It's going to get fairly windy around here Wednesday and Thursday, and because of that, it will push our temperatures up. Notice by Wednesday night, 11 o'clock, some of that rain starting to move in. We might even get a few rumbles of thunder out of this system as it moves in early Thursday morning and during the day on Thursday. Some occasional downpours are going to be possible. This is a low pressure center that will spin right through Ohio on Thursday. So there's the potential for some thunder, especially late Wednesday night and overnight, then into the daytime on Thursday. Not severe, but just a rumble of thunder or two. And some of the downpours could be pretty heavy on Thursday. Some areas in northern Ohio potentially getting more than 1.5 inches or 1.75 inches worth of rain, and that could cause some potential flooding issues because some of that is already falling on saturated ground. We'll be watching that on Thursday. We're dry tomorrow. Tomorrow looks pretty good. We get some sunshine between the clouds. In the afternoon, we're back into the mid-50s, so it's going to be a very warm day again. Temperatures are well above average all the way into Friday. 54 on Thursday with that rain, 48 on Friday. Then we're a little closer to average on Saturday. Could even get a flurry on Saturday. Sunday, 56 degrees with rain Sunday night. And we're in the 60s next week.